Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I also work as well as in the morning at 9 a.m. and today I check all my beta team and return channel. I check out over here what are the conversation and also like that, and then I go to my regular daily routine work. Today I also work on Notion because of it has huge product, and that's why I also work on today. Today I am working on Amazon. I got one product and also I set it here. Please check out over here, and also work on KG mail and KG ad also. Today I at the last time I got a mail of 178 for 500 for ad. I add it as your instruction, and also work on KD and real work also, and work like this. So this is all about my work. Today is the last day of this week, so after weekend we meet again. So till then, bye. Thanks.